Love is love. Love is love. Adios.
Mga kabalin, kumsa kayo po. Welcome to Pampanga. For today's video, nandito tayo ngayon sa SM City Clark and we were invited by Feast and Fire. So this is an unlimited buffet. Get to know more kung ano yung mga sinaserve nila dito. Samahan niyo po ako. Let's go! Mention ko lang kung saan ang address natin, or I mean yung location ng Feast and Fire dito sa SM City Clark. 3 park natin dito, and then from there kaharapan lang talaga niya is the Feast and Fire. Normally guys, ang price niya is $599 for adult, $299 naman for kids. So yun, let's get inside. First time namin dito guys, first time. Let's talk about their setup. So actually, si Feast and Fire is an unlimited 4-in-1. Pagdating mo dito guys, is they're gonna give you a menu. They're gonna ask you kung ano bang gusto mong paluto dito. While they are cooking, you can get na from their buffet. So yung first natin, it's ramen. Yung 4-in-1, yung one doon is ramen. Now they have kombu shoyu, seafood, tori paitan, at saka spicy miso. The next one, Samgyup treat. What do you get? You get actually a lot of meat. The third one is the skewers. So unlimited skewers tayo dito. Meron tayong yakitori, which is, you know, Asian, Japanese, satay, Malaysian, cheesy, chokkochi. Anyway, so that's Korean. And then lastly, there's a 4-in-1, unlimited chicken wings po sila dito. So they have like 8 flavors. Choose from the 8th one. They're gonna cook it for you. While you're waiting, go get your buffet.
Stack chicken like this gon' be. Food in the cut.
So this is our first order. So meron tayong dalawang ramen dito. Seafood, which is this one. Kombu shoyu, and then toppings niya is beef naman. Chicken wings. I think this is spicy maple, and the other one is garlic parmesan. Alright guys, so ikot naman tayo doon sa kanilang mga buffet. We have java rice, garlic, oriental, saka yung plain steam rice. I think I'm gonna go for this one. This is their kimchi. We have some soup section. Now for the fries, meron tayong potato wedges, cropek, salt and pepper, at saka kimchi pancakes. This area is for the dessert. Later pa tayo dyan, mamaya pa tayo dito. Another dessert section, pero mamaya pa tayo dito guys. Later pa tayo. This one is, oh wow, teriyaki. Bell pepper pork. Whoa, look at this. Creamy macaroni. Look at this. Actually, iba-iba yung mga inspiration, or iba-ibang lugar yung inspiration ng mga dishes natin dito. We have Korean, we have Japanese, we have Malaysian, we also have Western. I think meron din Pinoy. Una tayo sa kanilang kimchi fried rice. And then at the same time, medyo na-curious ako dito. I don't know what this is, but I wanna put it on top like this. See yun, no? Another I wanna try is yung kanilang salt and pepper pork. Ito yan. Yung mixed dim sum, meron din dito. Another one I wanna try is yung kanilang chicken teriyaki. Kaninang tinignan ko to, medyo nagutom ako. Alright. Yung isa is doon sa kabila. This one, sweet and sour dory. Seafood naman. Fish. Lastly, just for this plate, pork sisig. Alright, so more of their buffet dishes. This one is their chicken stew. And then meron tayong sweet and sour dory, vegetable kare-kare. Meron tayong bagoong dito. And then this one, label natin is pork sisig. Ang daming ice cream. Hello, ma'am. Ang daming ice cream! This section is for your salad and anything you need for your Samgyup. So kimchi, garlic, yung lettuce. So kasama natin sa video na to is of course my wife. This is our us time / date / work. Thanks, Feast and Fire. Alright, so this is our first set sa 4-in-1 natin. We have 3. Kulang lang dito is yung samgyupsal. But then again, meron tayong mga extra dishes from the buffet area. Kaya good enough for set 1. Let's start. Noodles. Little bit Korean. So kasama natin ngayon si Ma'am Reyna. Of course, i-introduce niya sa atin yung the setup dito. Thank you so much po for inviting us, Ma'am.
4-in-1, it's composed of skewers, ramen, wings, and Samgyup meats. So kaya siya tinawag na 4-in-1.
And then aside from that, meron po tayong
We have,
buffet area
yes,
dito.
ready to eat food na din po.
Yung buffet natin dito, Ma'am, does it change regularly or from time to time or may mga fixed din tayong mga
May fixed menu naman kami for this. Pero yung kunyari, it depends on the availability. We have fixed menu naman for that.
Okay. Dining time naman, Ma'am. Do we have time limit? Ang ba? 2 hours lang ba? Or
Yes, kagandahan on Feast and Fire, we don't have close ng buffet unlike nung other competitors natin na may lunch and dinner.
Yes.
But for us, it's continuous.
So parang all day nung
Yes.
ano,
Opo,
pare-pareho
and then in
lang.
one price lang
One
siya.
price lang siya. So regardless of what time will you get here, same food din yung isa-serve. Walang lunch, walang dinner, or
Yes, opo.
the entire day. Wow, interesting. Please invite our viewers po, come and check out Feast and Fire. Yan.
By Feast and Fire at SM Clark. Enjoy our 4-in-1 buffet.
Thanks so much, Ma'am Reyna.
Thank you.
Siya po ang makikita niyo dito, ang Reyna ng Feast and Fire.
Ay, Reyna ng Feast and Fire.
That was a lot. And I think it's time for dessert. So for dessert, meron tayong different kinds of jellies. I think this is fruit salad, mixed fruits, at saka mga native na kakanin. So I wanna go first dito sa fruit salad.
Love is love.
And then this one is the coffee jelly. And then this is the pandan salad. Ayan. So for the dining area, this is very spacious, no? I think it can accommodate, in my estimate, no? More than 60 or 70 siguro, no? And then, napaka, niya, family-friendly ng design, the interior, the look and feel. And few minutes later, this is what is left. And medyo nakapag-bus out na nga yung mga ibang plates natin dito. But then again, how was the food? How was the food, Ma'am?
How was the food or how was my waistline?
Nag-adjust na naman yung belt ko niyan. For the price?
Nag-enjoy talaga tayo. For the price.
Yeah, for the price of 549 and regular price of 599 pesos. I think sulit, quality food. No wonder mga pupunta dito are groups. I don't know what to say. Medyo
Kasi nabusog ka.
nabusog ako. At saka medyo nabe-brain freeze ako sa sa sugar. So, ayun guys, if you are into this kind of food, please visit Feast and Fire. Located po yan sa may SM City, Pampanga, Skyline, ground level. Pinaka-landmark natin dito is malapit siya doon sa Tree Park. Yun, if you like this video or if you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. We hope to see you in the next video. Thanks so much, Feast and Fire. Peace out.
I just felt.
I just belt.